Now we learn about creating floor. After creating our grid level, we have to create our floor level so that we can draw our structure perfectly. So as we have selected a grid level or a default template, there we have some value like story 1 base story 1. Okay, but what we will do actually, if I click here story, so what we'll do actually, group story, to create a story. Okay, to create a story, I will just delete our previous story we have taken as a template. Okay, now done. Now I'll click here and I'll go to Z. Okay, and in here we have to create our story. I'll give its name as a value. Okay, because we'll define it as per our requirement actually. So at 0 0, everything will be at 0 0. I'll add it and just double click here and give its name is base. Click add, and level of the selected axis and new level style replace to the one level. Okay, I'll just take that on and click OK. Now what will be our next position? So next position will be, let's say our ground floor will be let's say 6 feet above from base, 6 feet. Okay, 6 feet, and just click here and double click here. Sorry. Okay, actually to rename it, click here simply. Okay, then it will be GF, ground floor. Then click add. Okay, then at 10 feet distance, from position 6, we'll create, let's say for 5 story, we'll create 5 and then click add. Here you will see 5 story have been created. I'll click here and give her a story 1, copy it. Okay, story 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and another story that will be, let's say after 8 feet, and must remember what is the position and what will be the distance from that position. If you select here, see, a new line will be created from 46 feet height to above, but I need a new line or new story above roof. So I click roof and you will see here is the distance, and this is the distance between roof and terrace. Sorry, actually I have provided here number of 5 to repeat. I'll delete wall. Okay, only we need 1 actually. Let's say its name will be terrace. Done. Okay, so we have created that. Now click apply and close. Okay, so we have created our story as per our requirement actually. If we click here, you'll see everything. So if you click here, this is the base, these are your GF. If you click here, it will show us the ground floor level and how you will see where we are. Just see the value of Z is 6 feet. Now again, let's say if you go to terrace, value changed to 68. That means we are in story 8. Okay, so in this way we are able to create that story. Okay, after creating our grid height, okay, or floor height, you will see this is the structure axis actually, height of a structure axis. But if you see here, there is no story defined. It's telling us undefined. Okay, so now we have to define our story for this software. To do it, we have multiple options. Just go here and click a story, then click a story. Okay, and here you will see the story. Let's say if I click here, simply I will see the height, and if I click add, it will be added. Now I will close it. Then another option here, or let's say move it here. So they have option story structure. I'll click here and you will see this option. Okay, let's say if you go manual, define manually, and if you click here, you'll see our height. If you click add, and you'll see this. Okay, and also as previous, we'll be able to change this name. And they have another option. No, we don't want to save right now. They have another option like a story, right click, a story, add a story. Every system are same. Okay, so I prefer to use that option, geometry, a story, and these both, these both system are same, a structure, a story. So to create our story as per our this height, okay, as per this height, I'll just simply go to our view, and here we'll start creating our story. So to do it, I'll go here, structure, then I'll click here, define manually. Let's say go to base, level 00 at base. Okay, so you can click anywhere you need. So this is the base height, and click add. So our top level, it's showing the top level height or something. So here you can see our base is above 10 feet, and from there it's have been started. Okay, for 10 feet it's have been started. Now actually this showing the height, z equal to 10 feet, showing the height. Now what we'll do, I will click here, close, or one by one we can create it. One by one we can create it. Now I'll click close, and no, I'll right click, sorry, I will click here, and I'll go to Z, and from here we'll delete all of our this value. Okay, so I'll click all, and I'll click apply and close. See, we are here, and here our base is z equal to 00. Now from here we'll start creating our floor height. How? Again, I'll go here, define manually, and if you click anywhere, it will be 00 base level will be 0 0, and height also will be 0 0, number of story 1, everything will be 0. That click. So everything here, everything is 0. Otherwise, actually we know that our base is 0, so no need to create it. Already it's available. Our base is already available. But if you want to create, you can click here, base. Okay, now this is the base. Click. Then again, for our next story, I'll provide this name is okay. Our height will be 6. Just simply click add, and it will be Jeff. Now if I click apply, let's click anywhere. If I click apply and see, we have two level. The one is base and the above is GF. Okay, yes. So the next height or next story, and if you click here, now you'll see a double base available here. That's why I have told you no need to create any base actually. Okay, only will create a story. So I select delete, that's it, and click apply. So again it's available. Always our base will be available here by default. And now if I click here, see our story is 6 feet, and if I click here, now we are in 6 feet height, and in this way we'll be able to create that. So now first we'll create our another story. So what will be the story actually? I'll give her define. So this is level 6. Also you can give this name level 6, level 10, level 15 in this way. Otherwise they have another option, provide let's say story 1. Okay, no problem, story 1. And also if you want to go, you can go the advanced option. I'll not use that option. Now I'll click here and go for what will be our next story height. So next story height will be 10 feet, let's say, and I'll take total 5 story. Okay, 5 story, and I'll click add. Now see, story 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the 5 one will be terrace. Sorry, 5 one will be roof. Okay, and this one will be here terrace. Okay, this one will be terrace. And sorry, I will delete this one. Terrace will be 1, and its height will be 8 feet. Or terrace height from roof to terrace, it will be 8 feet, let's say. Then simply click add, empty. That's it. So we've done perfectly. Okay, now actually also we are able to change our building base level. It is available in 0. So click set and then apply, and see we have defined all of our floor level. So we have two ways. So I prefer to create floor level in this way. Why? I'll tell you why I'll create that in this way. If I go to in plan view, you'll see this is available. Also our axis height is available, and also our story is available. Here you'll see our story is available. Okay. So they have option sort by name. Okay, no problem. So in this way we are able to create that. This is the base, and this is in 6 feet height, and we can also change its name or story. What is our GF? Again, I'll go here and I'll check at 6 feet. Its name will be GF actually. GF ground floor. Okay, and 1 2 3 3, then roof, then terrace, and it's okay. Click apply, close. GF extrude 1 2 3 and roof, and again I'll go here, view. We can take 0 to GF, then extrude 1 2 3, and they have another extrude roof, and they have another extrude terrace. So this is the way to create our story level perfectly. Now if you go here and if you go in Z direction, you will see this value is available here. Okay, this value is available here. I will close. Now let's say if you need to create or increase another story here, so how will do it? To do it, I'll go define manually. Let's say take its name terrace, no problem, and its height will be so in 46 feet. In 46 feet, okay, we have to, for terrace and for roof, we have to change 46. For 46, click add. Sorry, from base to 46, I'll click delete. Now first of all I will delete this one, then here also I will delete our terrace. After that I will add this height actually. So what will be the height actually? The next height will be it's 46, it will be 10 feet height. Okay, above this one will be 10 feet height. Above this story will take another story, and if you click here above who is a story you want to create a story, you have to select that. So I will click this one and I'll take 10 story, 10 feet a story, the 4. Then I will take another story above 4, that will be how much? That will be, let's say, also 10, and it will be roof, and above 5 story I will take another story, this value will be 8 feet. Add. So here done, and I will click here and rename roof. Okay, I'll click here and take it as a done. Now I'll click apply, you'll see everything changed. So GF to 1 2 3 4 roof and terrace. Now let's say we need a line or grid between that two level. Okay, between two levels. So how we'll do it? How we'll do it? So to do it, above who is a story, we need that line. Let's say above story 1, above story 1 we need a line like after a middle bit of them. So what will be the total height? 16 plus half of the 10, that means 21. So I'll give here the height is like, let's say the height will be 5 feet from story 1 to 2, and then click add. Okay, and here, so okay, first close it, and then again go here, select this one, and manually from story 1 to above our height will be 5 feet. 5 feet, click add, and you will see a new story of 21 have been created here. A new story of a new story have been created, that is 21, 16 to 21. Okay, now I'll click and I'll delete this one. So you can see everything back to its normal position, but here if you see here, our height is not accurate actually, because we have deleted some story. So I'll simply close it and no. So done. In this way, we are able to create anything we need to make a model. So now we'll go for our next story, next work. So when our model or everything is ready, now we are ready to create our element or our member, a structural member. So we'll do it now. Okay, now first of all, we'll save our model. I'll click here, save the project, and I'll save this model. Let's say desktop videos, get a folder, model, save anywhere you need, save it. Okay, so thank you very much.